Are you worried like, oh my god, Thailand Pass is so difficult, how to fill it? I want to know how to do it. Yes, I'm here. I'm going to help you. I want to teach you. Sawadee-ka! It's me, Teya Suchira. If you want to know more about Thailand, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you will not miss anything about my country. I guess that everybody who are interested to come to Thailand know that it's still quite complicated, especially we have the system of the Thailand Pass. Some of you probably don't know that today when you come to travel Thailand, you need to apply Thailand Pass, including Thai people, adult and children, even a little baby, they also need to have Thailand Pass. So in case you don't know what Thailand Pass is, let me explain very easy to understand. Thailand Pass is not quite different from like a passport, but Thailand Pass is just putting all information about you who are coming here, including the information of vaccine, because they need to know the information about people who get vaccine or no vaccine. So that is why you need to apply Thailand Pass. And I believe that during COVID-19, people who coming here, everyone still have to do it. And I don't know when it's going to stop having Thailand Pass. Since Thailand start to have this website at the beginning of November, it's 2 weeks already, and it seems like the system is just slowly be okay. Just okay, but it's not quite ready yet. But however, many of you want to know how to apply Thailand Pass. So I'm going to explain everything. I'm not mad at you, okay? So now you know that you need to apply Thailand Pass. Thailand Pass is just like the last things that you have to do before you fly. You have to prepare all the documents first, and after you make a booking, especially flight, hotel booking, and then you can apply Thailand Pass. How long it takes for Thailand Pass, I really can't tell you exactly. It's really depending on which country are you from, and also it's really depending on the document that you apply. But some people can be approved within 1 day. Only 1 day. You apply in the morning, you can be approved in the evening. But some of you apply in the morning and you get approved for another 7 days. But by the day 7, some of you get contact and request you to fill more document to make it complete. So I can't tell you how long it takes for your case. But I can tell you the tip that if you're well prepared with all the documents are all complete, including you have a digital vaccine, and that digital vaccine has QR code. QR code is like a key to help you to get approved very quickly. So it means that when you fill the form, the one who have digital vaccine will be the one who get approved faster than the one who just only use paper vaccine certificate. This is a little tip about how long it takes. I highly recommend you to prepare yourself or apply Thailand Pass for 2 weeks in advance. Just in case they would require you more documents, you still have time to just give them more documents. And also you won't be too exciting to wait for QR code to be approved. What you need to prepare for filling the form. Before you fill the form, you have to make a booking of the hotel. And hotel that you make a booking, it has to be what they require you. For example, like if you come as a test and go program means that you arrive Thailand and you have to do RT-PCR COVID test on the arrival. You have to book the hotel, which is like a package of test and go. So this package, it has to include with the transfer from the airport, it must include with RT-PCR test. And also you need to give them flight information into the hotel booking because they need to pick you up at the airport. That's why they really need you to have that information when you make a booking of the hotel. Another thing that you need to have is an insurance. insurance that you need to have, it must be covered with a sickness, especially specific to COVID-19, and the coverage cost of in case you are sick and catch COVID-19, the company that you buy an insurance with, they have to pay at least 50,000 US dollar. So you can buy the insurance from your country as long as it's specifically explain in that paper that is include COVID-19 minimum 50,000 US dollar. That is okay. But if you haven't got any insurance yet, I highly recommend you to buy an insurance from Thailand. That's because it's easier to be approved, and it seems like people who just check all your paper, they seem to get used to with Thailand company. When they look at the information, they could give you approved very easy as well. But if you use the insurance from your country, they probably wouldn't feel a bit familiar, so that's why they may miss something. Even like Thai insurance company, they also, people who check the paper, many of them are also miss seeing information as well. So our customer that we fill the form for, many of them got rejected in the past time because people who check the paperwork, they miss seeing information in that paper, even though we already got that information in that paper. So please make sure the information is very clear and also very easy to see in that paper as well. And the website for Thailand Pass, please make sure you go to the right website, because right now we start to have a lot of legal Thailand Pass website that they try to copy the government. So please make sure you go to the right website. So now I'm going to show you in a page of Thailand Pass. If you're ready, let's go and have a look. So this is a page for Thailand Pass application. You can see this one. You have to fly, you have to take a flight to be here. And down here is for any question or you need any contact. But I recommend you, if you don't have any problem, please don't call because you have to wait for like an hour. So this page is for non-Thai, and then you can just click English language, and then you can have a look which plan you have to come with. For example, like Test and Go or sandbox programs or quarantine programs. And you can have a look. They also inform you what you need to prepare, like passport, Thai visa if we require, or certificate of vaccination, and also the hotel booking and insurance with minimum coverage of 50,000 US dollar. Let's say you select, then you have to read blah 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 blah. Then click yes and then confirm. And this page, you just have to tell purpose of arrival, like you come for travel, business, education, or anything. It's a page for the country, arrival, city. For example, like you arrive Suvarnabhumi Airport, for example. Then the flight number, you need to have the flight number, date of arrival, and estimate date of departure from Thailand, and then register. And this page is about the personal information. Just very easy page in this one. Just give your name, middle name, family name, nationality, your birthday, your email. Please make sure that you use email which is not Hotmail and Outlook. And after that, just write down your occupation, your passport number, and then just select your passport. Usually people come just ordinary passport, just regular one, and then passport number. Drag and drop your picture. So make sure the picture that you put is just only a file of JPEG or PNG and not more than 5 megabytes. And also passport has to be just one page, not 2 pages, like open a whole book like that, just only one page. That would be okay. And then anyone who's younger than 12 years old, parents can just apply together in the same place, in the same application. And after that, just click next. After that, we just get to vaccination page, which you just have to choose which one. In case you are recovered
from COVID-19 infection within 1 year, you just click here. And then just have to write information about the start treatment until when. And then you need to have a document of medical certificate to put down here. But again, please make sure the size is not more than 5 megabytes. And then in case any of you get a vaccine, you have to know which day you get first vaccination. And then write down the name that you get vaccination. And after that, you just put the picture of the vaccine certificate here. And again, if you want to add QR code on the vaccination, you will get faster. You can just click here, and then this one is for putting the QR code. Please make sure that it looks like this. It has to be very good focus for them to just scan. So if it's blur or not good focus, they will not allow. If it's not fully cropped in a picture, it's still not allowed. So just make sure it's perfect for them to just scan it. A little bit complicated, right? Second dose, yeah, and also in case you do booster, you can add more. Add more for the third dose. Just give information when you get this vaccine. And then just click and then next. After that, you just come to this page, which is contact and accommodation. For this one, you have to choose, you have to know first if you come here as test and go or sandbox or alternative. And each program is also different. So you have to know first if you book via what kind of hotel. We have SHA Plus hotel, alternative quarantine, and also organization quarantine. But let's talk just only 2 types of hotels, which is just only alternative quarantine and also SHA Plus hotel. And then they're going to ask you which province you stay. So let me make it like Bangkok. Accommodation name, maybe Teya house. Teya hotel. Okay. And then, yeah, just write down the address, booking number, the day of your stay. So you just choose when you stay. And then I just have to put the picture of the hotel booking in here. Please make sure that the confirmation letter has to be a detail of the RT-PCR test, including in that letter, and also transfer from the airport. And also you have to show that it's paid as well. It has to show it's paid. And then just write the permanent address outside Thailand, which is your own house. And then your telephone number, emergency name, and then the telephone number. So that is all about it. After that, just click next. Then you come to insurance page. For this insurance, you just have to make sure that it covers the policy as they request, and then put the insurance policy number, and then just click yes, it's covered 50,000 US dollar, and also insurance paid cover the total duration of stay in Thailand. Just say yes, effective date, so it means that when it starts, and after that just put the picture of the insurance in here. So please make sure information just only one page that you can insert, and make sure the information in that one page you have, it has to specify this information above here. Otherwise, they would request you more information. And then other visit country without 14 days before arrival country. In case you travel a lot to another city before you come here, you just have to write down. And after that, click submit. After that, you're going to get an access code for check your status later. You just have to remember this access code for logging in. Just go to have a look if you get approved or not. But after you get approved, you're going to get an email telling you that Thailand Pass system has approved your registration, can access and download your Thailand Pass QR code by double-clicking the attached PDF. So in email, you're going to get the QR code in your email, and then you can just print it out That is all about the process of Thailand Pass application.
Is it difficult for you to do it? It sounds like complicated, right? For me, to be honest, even though we fill a lot of Thailand Pass for our clients, but to be honest, every time I fill the form, I'm very excited. I'm afraid that information that I write down, I'm going to miss some word or miss some number or something like that. So please make sure before you fill the form, you are well prepared and everything is going to be okay. But just in case you feel like, oh my God, it's too complicated, I don't want to do it, Teya, please do for me. Yes, you can contact me as well. I have a team, Stella, Daisy, Miss, other one, many people in our team. We can do filling the form for you. So you can just contact us, email us, and then we're going to fill the form for you. Before I leave, I want to tell you that right now my channel start to have a membership. A membership at the moment. What you have to be a member for. It's just only showing care, showing love, and in the future, I will probably have something extra for anyone who are a member. So if you would like to join me to be a membership, you can just click the joy and thank you so much in advance. And also I also have like a t-shirt, It's Thai Things products to sell you as well. So if you would like to purchase, oh my God, many of you sent me a photo selfie that they wear a t-shirt of It's Thai Things brand. I feel like, oh my God, I'm so glad to see this brand that I make it myself. And I created for almost 2 years, and I have someone who loves my channel and they support me. I feel very grateful for that. So thank you so much. And if you want to buy some t-shirt or any souvenir from my channel, you can have a look in the link I'm going to put in a comment. And also you can click in my channel as well. Anyway, this is all I want to tell you, and hopefully this video can help you to feel a bit more relaxed and you feel more confident to apply Thailand Pass by yourself. And if you have any question, you're more than welcome to write email to me. I will just do my best to help you. If you think this video is useful for you, please at least give me a thumb up, and you can share to your friends. And if you are appreciated with information that I have for you, you feel like you want to support my channel, you want to buy me a coffee, you can have a look in description how to buy me a coffee. And for today, thank you so much for watching until the end. I'll see you next time. สวัสดีค่ะ